What is the pineal gland? The pineal gland is a small, pea-shaped structure found in the human brain. The name pineal was due to its pine cone shape structured in the brain. It is one of the last brain organs to be discovered and referred to as the third eye. One reason is that this gland is found in the deep center of the brain between and above the two eyes. A lot of myths and speculations have been associated with the discovery of this gland. One of those myths is to consider it as the room for the body's soul, or the seat of the soul, referred to by a 17th century French philosopher René Descartes. Since the pineal gland is located in the epithalamus, embedded between the cerebellum and the cerebrum, it is also called epiphysis cerebri. It is 5 to 8 millimeters long and 3 to 5 millimeters in width. Now, since it is part of our body, it must have some functions, right? Although the role is not fully understood, here is a little insight. It is an endocrine gland present in most vertebrates and secretes melatonin, a serotonin-derived hormone responsible for controlling the body's sleep-wake cycle, and it also regulates reproductive hormones. This makes it one of the major endocrine glands. Melatonin is secreted in the brain's cerebrospinal fluid and blood and monitors the daily circadian clock. It is the body's master clock and induces sleep. Let us say someone is in a dark, cozy room. Our pineal gland senses the darkness from the optic nerve by dim incoming light and starts secreting melatonin more than it does during the daytime. The more melatonin it secretes, the sleepier you get, and it's directly proportional to the incoming light. However, this sleep-wake cycle repeats itself every 24 hours while handling the alertness and sleepiness at regular intervals. This is the reason why it is also called the endocrine clock and endocrine calendar. It can also be best understood by jet lag, which occurs when you travel to different time zones and your body is unable to reset its biological clock easily, resulting in a disruption of sleep patterns, lack of alertness, and concentration. It takes the pineal gland a day to realign its time and melatonin to release regularly. Other than regulating our master clock, the pineal gland also plays a role in regulating reproductive system hormones and its development through melatonin secretion. It controls sex drive in males and females both, as it inhibits the release of certain reproductive hormones like gonadotropins from pituitary glands. It also controls other processes like hunger and thirst. Thus, it takes part in the normal aging process. Its secretions also help us to adapt to seasonal changes. Your body's pineal gland is also your navigator. People who suffer from the dysfunctional pineal gland lack a sense of direction. It is associated with spatial navigation. However, it has also been found to convert nervous system signals to endocrine signals and regulate other endocrine functions as well. High levels of calcium are present in the pineal gland, which is often used by radiographers to mark the middle of the brain in X-ray images. To function normally, our pineal gland and melatonin secretion should be healthy. If it is not, many problems like insomnia, confusion, restlessness during late-night hours, or sleepiness during daytime, headache, tremors, nausea, or vomiting may occur. You may lose your sense of direction, and specific mental health issues, particularly seasonal symptoms, are most prominent. It includes seasonal affective disorder, or SAD or SAD, a depressive disorder experienced during winter months when the light is minimal. Since it affects the reproductive system, changes in fertility, menstrual cycles, or ovulation can also occur as a result of abnormal melatonin release. We hope that you are learning something new every day from our videos. If you'd like to know about a specific topic, inbox us, email us, or comment down below.